Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be showing you the top 5 handheld diagnostic scan tools for Jaguar vehicles in 2024 and 2025. We'll show you the cheapest through to the most expensive and explain what kind of features and functions each of these tools has. Now I will put links to all of these kits in the description below this video, just so it makes it a little bit easier for you to find them. It is important to know that there are fakes, there are clones on the market, and they can damage your vehicle. So by using the links below, it'll take you to the genuine and official products. And at the end of this video, I'll explain to you which of these tools I would personally buy if it was my personal money on my personal Jaguar, based on what I already know about these tools, okay? So if by the end of the video you're still unsure about which of these tools to go for, then I'm going to pop an email address in the description. Please use that email address, send your vehicle information to us, and we can recommend the best tool for you and your specific needs and circumstances, okay? And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a bonus tool, which is kind of like a dealer level, really high-end tool, okay? But we'll come to that when we need to. So we're going to start at this end of the table. This is the cheapest tool on the table. Just wrecking my display here. So the tool I'm showing you right here is the iCarsoft LR version 1.0 tool. LR is originally the Land Rover wording, but it does house the Land Rover and Jaguar software, okay? So as you probably know, the Land Rover and Jaguar group, they're all part of the same group. So the software for Land Rover and Jaguar is built into this tool. Now this tool is a really good tool if maybe you're thinking about, you've got a problem with one of your systems, like you've got a dashboard warning, which, let's face it, you're probably no stranger to dashboard warning lights if you do have a Jaguar or Land Rover. But this tool will, it'll diagnose the main systems like engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, traction control systems, and other systems as well. Things like the power steering, the air suspension, central locking, HVAC systems. This tool will allow you to gain access to those systems and diagnose them and reset them, okay? When we talk about service functions, you'll hear me talking about service functions in this video quite a bit. Service functions go over and above the standard diagnostics. So service functions are generally the resets that like the dealers or the specialist garages would carry out. So this comes with one included service function, and it is the ability to do the oil or maintenance resets, okay? So if you're needing to do like the service reset message on the dashboard, then this tool will allow you to do that as well, okay? But this is a good place to start if you've never had a diagnostic tool before and you only really want to kind of like get the cheapest tool that you possibly can, then this is a really good tool. So this is the version 1.0 tool. We then come to the next tool. This is the LR version 2.0 tool. So this is a little bit more expensive than this tool, but this does everything that this tool will do plus more. Okay, so we talk about the diagnostics, so it covers all of the main systems of all of the vehicles. But when it comes to service functions, it'll do the oil service reset, just like this one will, but also has additional functions, additional service functions, and they can include DPF regeneration, electronic park and brake, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor calibration, new battery registration, injector coding, and ABS brake bleeding. It's very important for me to point out though that you probably would need to send us your VIN number via the email address below and double check that those functions are going to be suitable for your vehicle, because although I've mentioned those functions and then being a feature of this tool, it doesn't work on all Jaguar vehicles, okay? So it is very important for me to point that out. So please do your checks before you buy this tool if you are looking to buy the tool, let's say for example for a DPF regeneration, okay? So that's the version 2.0 tool. And we then come on to the version 3.0 tool. This is the LR version 3.0 tool. This tool goes over and above these tools. It'll do everything that these tools will do, but it has additional functionality, okay? It has better hardware, which means it can house better software, which means it can open the tool up to way more service functions and way more vehicle coverage. This will cover like pretty much up to date, pretty much newish vehicles, okay? So we talked about the service functions on this tool. This tool can do all of them. Plus, it'll additionally allow you to do actuation tests, component testing. It's a bi-directional scan tool, so you can do other things like suspension calibration, transmission adaptation, air conditioning reset, engine adaptations, and other adaptations as well. Again, same applies though, that you need to check first, because although it will do most of those functions on most of the Jaguar vehicles, there are still a few that it can't do those functions on. So it is always best to check just in case. All right, but this tool here it's a little bit more expensive than this tool, but you get a lot more vehicle service and functionality out of this tool here for just a little bit more money. Okay, so that's the LR version 3.0 tool. We then move on to the first multi-manufacturer tool. So this is the iCarsoft CR Pro Kit. This tool allows you to diagnose your Jaguar vehicle and other makes and models as well. So let's say you also have like an Audi, a BMW, Mercedes, a Ford, a Toyota, a Lexus, whatever it may be. This tool will cover all of the makes and models as well. So it's quite handy if you've got like a few cars within your family setup and you wanted to try and get a tool that will cover all of them instead of buying separate individual tools. The service functionality on this tool matches that of the LR version 2.0 tool. So the same applies. Send us your VIN number if you wanted to make sure this tool will do, say, DPF regeneration on your Jaguar and also your BMW, or you wanted to know if it would do sort of like new battery registration on your BMW or your Lexus, for example. Okay, so that's the CR Pro Kit, and that's been a really good seller for a number of years now, surely because of the good coverage, the good manufacturer and the good system coverage that it contains. Okay, so that's the CR Pro Kit. We then move on to this tool here, which is hands down the best tool on the table. It covers everything that all of these tools can do plus more. It has a really easy to use tablet based system with Android software. All of the apps are already on there, but you can double up and you can use it as, you know, an app, like a tablet for your apps, surfing online. You could do emails on it. It creates diagnostic reports. It has the best amount of service coverage and system coverage of any of these tools. Okay, so it really is the best package, all in one package, and it matches the service functionality of the version 3.0 tool. So you're getting the best service functionality, the best coverage, the best software in this tool here. Yes, it does cost more than these tools, but it's not bank-breakingly expensive. Okay, it's probably within the reach of most enthusiasts if you did have a few different vehicles. All right, so I mentioned at the start of the video that I would give you my personal recommendation. So if this was my personal money I was going to spend on my personal vehicle, given what I know about these tools, which one would I choose? Well, to me it's quite obvious and it's quite easy. Because I've tested all the tools and I know what functions and systems and coverage they all offer. So if I was looking at a tool just for my Jaguar vehicle and I wasn't really interested in any other vehicle, then it would definitely be the version 3.0 tool. So this tool, as I said earlier, you know, it covers a wide range of vehicles up to very recent vehicles, a wide range of systems, a wide range of service functionalities. It's a bi-directional scan tool, and it just packs a huge amount of software and features into one sort of quite nicely priced package, I will say. So that's the version 3.0 tool, which I would definitely recommend if you've got Jaguar and other makes and models as well. So let's say you've got, as I said, you know, a BMW or Ford or a Mercedes, a Honda, Porsche, whatever, then the best tool is going to be the CR Max kit. Okay, I probably can't stress enough how much value for money this tool is. It's the best bang for the buck. It does all of your systems, your functions. It does a huge range of manufacturers. It does all of your calibrations, your adaptions, your component testing. It's just a really, really good package. Okay, so it's definitely going to be one of these two if you're looking after just your Jaguar, this one here, or if you want other makes and models than the CR Max. Okay, so we get free lifetime updates with all of these tools, by the way. I didn't mention that. Some of the other tool manufacturers like Autel and Xtool, they will charge you updates after the first couple of years. Well, Autel after the first year, and sometimes it can be like 100, 150 pounds per year. But you get free updates for life with all of these tools, which is really good. Okay, I did mention at the start of the video a high-end tool that I wanted to show you. This is the iCarsoft CR Ultra Kit. It is quite expensive. It's £1,500, but it can do things that the main dealer and specialist tools can do, okay? I wanted to just put that in there just in case there were any guys out there who wanted the absolute best tool and money wasn't really an issue. So I appreciate that it's probably going to be, you know, more expensive than most DIYers want to pay, but some guys do just have unlimited budgets and they want the absolute best tool. So the CR Ultra is definitely the one I would recommend for you. But having said that, the tools on the table are probably going to be suitable for most DIYers and enthusiasts out there, okay? If you're still not sure about which of these tools to go for, then please do use the email address in the description below. Send us your vehicle information. We can check to see which of these tools would be best suited to you, your needs, your circumstances and your budget, okay? Thanks very much for watching, guys. Links to these kits in the description below. My display just continues to fall apart. I do need to sort that out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.